All right, we're gonna be taking a ride on this amazing old vintage elevator here. And I wonder what brand, it's an Otis. It's an Otis.
I'm gonna pick people up.
All right. Quite a stop.
Te explico ahorita, porque no es de nuevo.
All right, now for the second trip, I actually get to run the elevator, so huge thank you to the operator. We're gonna go for one more ride and we'll end the video back to where I started. All right, which way do I turn?
You a YouTuber?
Mm-hmm.
How many subscribers?
Almost to 50,000.
Yeah? How long you been doing it for?
What was that again?
How long you been doing it for?
11 years.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. How many more floors?
2 more after this.
It's variable speed. Is this the top floor or?
No, 1 more.
Okay, I'm just gonna run a little bit slow.
You can keep doing it.
Okay.
It'll stop on its own. See?
Sorry, I haven't been doing this for a while.
That's it.
All right.
Gotta put this on the first floor now.
Thanks so much for letting me run the elevator. Somebody just got a call, so the operator had to take it over. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. Love the motor and relay. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.